I started the recording.
Good, good.
Continue.
Yes, so again, Jai Hind everyone, and here our student Alice, she is presenting a presentation on division of fractions. So all of you be the active participant, and whenever she asks, so answer individually, okay, and keep yourself muted. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon,
I'm Alice,
sir.
and today I'm going to tell you about division of fractions. Before I proceed to tell you how to divide fractions, I'm going to tell you for what it is useful in real life. Division of fractions is useful in baking, telling time, etc. In baking, like if you see a recipe for 24 cookies and if you have to make only 6 cookies, so you are going to decrease the ingredients. Then you are going to use division of fractions. And for many more things, you use division of fractions in real life. So, do you know how to divide fractions? Could anyone answer?
Yeah, all of you can keep your videos on.
Okay.
You may raise your hand.
Anyone, could you just unmute yourself and tell me whether you know how to divide fractions or not?
Can I tell?
Yes?
By reciprocaling.
No, I'm asking whether you know how to divide fractions. Yes or no?
Yes.
So maybe many others have the reaction like the girl in the PPT. So don't worry, I'm going to explain step by step on how to divide fractions. So the first step is never change the first fraction. So here as an example, I have took a question and the question is 2 by 3 divided by 3 by 4. So you are not going to change 2 by 3. You are going to write the same question. Like you are not going to change 2 by 3 and you are going to write 2 by 3 itself. So the step 2 is do the reciprocal of the second fraction. What is reciprocal? Can anyone please unmute and tell what's reciprocal? Can anyone unmute and tell what is reciprocal? For what? Why do we use reciprocal? Or at least what is reciprocal?
Changing the positions of numerator and denominator.
Yes, so Shardul is right. Reciprocal means exchanging the places of numerator and denominator with each other. We are doing the reciprocal because we want the product of the fraction to be 1. So here, the question is, as in the first slide also, 2 by 3 itself, 2 by 3 divided by 3 by 4 will change to 2 by 3 divided by 4 by 3. So here, as you can see, I have changed the positions of the numerator and denominator with each other. So it has changed to 4 by 3, 2 by 3 divided by 4 by 3. So the step 3 is change the division sign to multiplication sign. So here the previous question itself. So we are going to change the division sign to multiplication sign. So we want the product, not the, we don't have to divide, we have to just multiply. So it is, so now multiplication is really happy and is dancing with joy. So 2 by 3 multiplied by 4 by 3.
Yes, wait for a minute, Alice. Just give me a minute. When you all are dividing 2 by 3 by 3 by 4. So, my question is how the division is converting into multiplication.
Sir, may I tell?
Who is here? Please tell your name.
Janvi.
Yes.
When we are doing the reciprocal of second fraction, it is the division is changing into multiplication.
No, why it is changing? What is the reason? If I ask you why? Yes, you raise your hand. Yesterday we discussed this in class. Actually में हम कर क्या रहे हैं? ये देखिए, there are two fractions, but they are also the part of a complete fraction. Where 2 by 3 is the numerator and 3 by 4 is the denominator. So what we discussed yesterday about equivalent fractions? Yes. 3 by 4. We want to remove 3 by 4. So what we should do? What we should multiply? Yes, Ayushi.
Yes, sir.
What I should multiply in 3 by 4 to make it 4 by 3? Sorry, 1.
Sir, please repeat the question.
What I should multiply in 3 by 4 to make the product 1. Three by 4. In 3 by 4, what we should multiply?
May I tell?
Yes. Yes, Janvi. Janvi is raising her hand, I think.
4 by 3.
4 by 3. So where I should multiply 4 by 3? Only in the denominator. Or in both. So here we multiply.
In numerator.
In both numerator and denominator. We multiply in both numerator and denominator. This is equivalent fraction. है ना? हमको पता है if we have to do product, we have to do in both numerator and denominator. So actually what we are doing, we are multiplying by the reciprocal of second fraction in both first and second part. Okay? And in denominator it becomes 1. Fine. So this also you all keep it in mind that actually you are multiplying both the parts. Are you getting it? क्या आपको समझ में आ रहा है ये? Rutuja got it. Good. Janvi also got it. Fine. तो ये एक्चुअल में है कि आखिर हम क्या हो रहा है, देखिए आप डिनोमिनेटर से ये गायब हो गया, सो डायरेक्टली बच रहा है न्यूमरेटर में. Elias, you continue.
Okay. In the next process, we are. Yeah. Now we are going to multiply. So 2 by 3 into 4 by 3 is. Sorry, there's a mistake. It's not 8 by 12.
Fine, okay. So what will be the correct? You may ask someone by name.
Okay, may I ask, just a minute, may I ask Rohini? Rohini, could you just tell me what is 2 by 3 multiplied by 4 by 3?
2 by 3 multiplied by 4 by 2 by 3 multiplied by
Rohini, speak a little louder.
6 by 12.
No, 2 into 3 and 3 into 3. Sorry,
2 into 3 and 3 into 3. 2 into 4.
2 into 4, 3. How much?
Rohini, 2 into 4. First you do 2 into 4, then you do 3 into 3. What is 2 into 4?
6 by 8.
Rohini,
Rohini, 2 multiply by 4.
8.
Yes, 8 by.
now you multiply 3 into 3.
12. 12.
Yes, yes. 3 into 3, 9. Good. Visualize. Continue to the next slide.
So, sir, it's almost over. Now we are just going to revise and I'm going to give you some questions.
Fine.
So, first let's revise. So, for dividing, first you are going to write the first fraction as it is. Then you are going to do the reciprocal of the second fraction. Reciprocal means exchanging the places of the numerator and denominator with each other. After that, you are going to change the sign of the, like if it is a division sign, you are going to change it to the multiplication sign and then you have to multiply. If possible, then convert it to the lowest form. Now, I'm going to give you some questions. I will call a person by name and then you have to answer it. So the first question is, the two non-zero fractions whose product is 1 are called the dash of each other. I will repeat it. The two non-zero fractions whose product is 1 are called the dash of each other. So, uh, Shruti, are you present? Shruti?
Afternoon, sir.
Hiram, you have raised your hand. Do you know the answer?
Yes,
Hiram,
I know the answer.
could you tell the answer?
Reciprocal.
Yes, it's right. So the two non-zero fractions whose product is 1 are called the reciprocal of each other. Now the second question is, fraction which is the reciprocal of 2 by 3 is dash. So could you just raise your hand?
Raise your hands. Keep your video on. Okay.
Bhavya's hand is raised, Ira's hand is raised, and others haven't on the video.
Yeah, reciprocal of 2 by 3.
So may I ask Bhavya or Ira?
Yes.
Okay, Bhavya.
It's 3 by 2.
Yes, sir, I'm done now. If I have more questions, so I will need to start on whiteboard.
Okay.
Minute.
So there are more questions on the way for you all. So be ready and try to solve.
Now it is about dividing. So it is. I will get it.
Guys, you may take text.
Yeah. The question is 3 by 7. How will I divide?
Right there, divide.
Okay. Divided by 2 by 3.
Okay. So all of you, your time starts now. Do it fast. Piyush Kumar Shah, unmute yourself. Keep your video on, Piyush. I'm also eager to answer. Really, all of you, how you all are holding yourself and you are knowing answer. 3 by 7 divided by 2 by 3. 3 by 7 multiply.
Has everyone completed solving the question?
Yes,
I
sir.
got
Harsh, Harsh, mostly your hand is raised. Could you just on your video and raise your hand? Please on your videos and raise your hand. Okay. So may I ask Harsh Muslim?
as it is up to you. Just continue.
Yes. Harsh, could you give me the answer of 3 by 7 divided by 2 by 3?
9 by 14.
Yes, it's right. And I have a second question.
9 by 14.
Yes, it is 9 by 14. Now the second question is 5 by 9 divided by 1 by 8. Is it too much on the side? Can you see it? Has everyone finished?
Yes.
Ira, your hand is raised. I couldn't give you a chance earlier, so could you just answer the question?
Yes, the answer is 40 by 9.
Yes, it's right. And sir, I'm done. So,
Fine. So make me just.
Sir,
yes.
Sir,
excuse me,
that
sir.
answer could be converted in mixed fraction.
Yes, sir. So it will be 4 by 9.
Yes,
Correct.
sir.
Good.
4 by 9.
Okay.
So thank you for giving me this opportunity to present a PPT in front of the whole class. Thanks a lot.
Good. So good work by Alice. So today it was colony student's chance, and as we saw, she made one PPT and she asked me whether may I present or not. So it's a good thing all of you may take this as an example and we continue this activity on a regular basis. Fine. And now I'm just going to share one screen, see if you might be knowing it. Okay. Now what is this here? GeoGebra. Okay. Now GeoGebra is one of the software and one of the app. As you can see here, we may use it to understand the concepts more better. Okay. अब यहाँ पर एक एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन का आप ग्राफिक देख सकते हैं सभी स्क्रीन पर 1/2 plus 1/3. So we know that 1/2 and 1/3 we have to take their equivalent fractions. Yes, 1/2 become 3/6 and 1/3 become 2/6. Now if we add them, we know 2/6 plus 3/6. Jagruti, what is the answer? How many are shaded here? 5/6. Okay, so let's change some values and see how we may do. 3 by 5 plus 1 by 3. Okay, 3 by 2 by 5 and 1 by 3 happen. So we know that for 3 and 5, the LCM is 15, so it becomes 6 and 5. Now graphically we can see that whether it is 11 by. Actually we are getting a visualized idea. Okay, यहाँ पर क्या होता है, visuals देख सकते हैं. ठीक है, एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन तो हमें ऑलरेडी पता है कि नो इट. अगर मैं यहाँ पर फ्रैक्शंस का प्रोडक्ट देखना चाहता हूँ, you may do the same through Google Chrome. Okay, and this app is also available when we will study geometry. तब हम इसका और ज़्यादा यूज करेंगे. अभी चलिए एक ये यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी प्रोग्राम्ड कुछ बने हुए हैं. कुछ देखिए 1/3. ओके, 1/3 में मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा हूँ बाय 1/4. ये एक्टिविटी हम कर चुके हैं काफी टाइम क्लासेस में. ये प्रोडक्ट आ गया 1/12. 1/3 multiply by 1/4 become 1/12. If I raise it, see improper fraction हम नहीं कर पाएंगे, तो 2/3 and 2/4. become 4/12 and becomes 1/3. तो ये प्रोडक्ट को हमने विजुअलाइज किया. देयर आर डिवीजन. जब हम डिवीजन कर रहे हैं, लाइक नाउ ओनली अलाइज टू प्रेजेंटेड द पीपीटी. सो डिवीजन को हम विजुअलाइज कैसे करें? This one is the division here. I think all of you able to see 5/6 divided by 2/9. Okay, all of you first do it and raise your hands. 5/6 divided by 2/9. Fine, then got very quickly. Good. So all of you just keep your answers with you. Jayant, you may answer it.
3/4.
3/4. Okay, let's see the visualization. Fine, ये एक स्क्रॉलर है. अच्छा, आप सभी अपना अपना जियोजेब्रा में इस तरह से क्रिएट भी कर सकते हैं. ओके, यू मे क्रिएट योर ओन दिस विजुअल चार्ट. अब आप देखिए, I'm just coming to the next step. 5/6 and 2/9. Now what they did, five by 6 and 2/9. How we make 6 and 9 same? What is the LCM of 6 and 9? Bhavya, what is the LCM?
Sir, it is 3.
No, 6 and 9. LCM.
Sir, 54.
54.
80.
18.
18. 9 2 times 18 is 18. Okay. तो देखिए इन्होंने यहाँ पे इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शंस दिया. आई थिंक ये शार्दुल भी सेम मेथड फॉलो करता है. ये सबमिटेड भी होमवर्क. So 6 3 and 5 3. So 5/6 become 15/18. Okay, आप देखिए ध्यान से 5/6 किसमें कन्वर्ट हो गया? 15/18. and 2/9 become 4/9. अब देखते हैं नेक्स्ट स्टेप में हम जब डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. सो हमको डिवाइड करना है 4/9 में. आप देखिए ये रेड मार्क यहाँ पे दिख रहे हैं, जहाँ पे मेरा कर्सर है अभी. सो 1 2 3 4. अब ये 15/8 को 18 को 4/18 में डिवाइड करेंगे, तो हाउ मेनी 4/18 दे विल गेट? 1 1 2 3 4 है ना. 4/18 one time, 4/18 two times, 4/18 three times. How much, Rutuja? 4/18 three times.
12/18.
12/18. यस, 12/18 हो गया. अभी कितना बचा है हमारे पास? 3 is left. Okay, for 15. So that way you see here. Yes. So we can see that this is 4, 8, 12 and then 13, 14, 15. So it is 15/18 which is 3 3/4. है ना. आप सभी प्लीज थोड़ा ध्यान से देखिए, यहाँ पे इन्होंने डायरेक्टली इसको मिक्स में लिख दिया है 3 3/4. आर यू ऑल गेटिंग व्हाट इज 3? मैं एक बार अनोटेशन करके आपको दिखाता हूँ. दिस इज 1, दिस इज 2, दिस इज 3. ओके फाइन. ये है हमारा 1, दिस इज 2 एंड दिस इज 3. और जो फोर्थ पूरा है उसमें से हम कितना ले पा रहे हैं? ओनली एंड ओनली 3. सो 3 3/4 इज द फाइनल आंसर. इज इट अ लिटिल बिट इंटरेस्टिंग?
Yes, sir.
ओके, ये थोड़ा ग्राफिकल हो गया है कि नहीं? So now let's take the, if we may take one more, the same way. Suppose if I change the values. Okay, Yatharth or Santosh, will you tell one question on division?
Okay, sir. Just a second. So, 15/9 division 58/2.
15/9. प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन लीजिए संतोष, पहले ना.
58/2.
अरे ये तो बहुत बड़ा कॉम्प्लेक्स हो जाएगा बेटा. यहाँ पे हमको इसको विजुअलाइज करना है ना. सो लेट अस टेक थोड़ा सा
फोर.
वेट अ मिनट. एक हम ऐसा क्वेश्चन ले लेते हैं जो यहाँ पर हम विजुअलाइज कर पाए. आई एम गेटिंग यू ऑल कि आप बता सकते हैं, बट थोड़ा सा विजुअलाइज करेंगे हम इसको विद द क्वेश्चन लाइक 3/5 divided by 1/2, 3/5 divided by 1/2. Three by five.
One more time.
You see the question Aditi, 3/5 divided by 1/2, same which is available here. यहाँ जो आपको दिख रहा है. Ira got the answer. Ira replied.
Yes, sir. The answer is 6/5 and in mixed form 1/5.
अच्छा, आप में से कोई भी स्टूडेंट इसको विजुअलाइज कर सकता है क्या? जैसे अब ये यहाँ पे करेंगे, देखिए 3/5 को 1/2 में डिवाइड करना है. ओके, so first of all the LCM is 10. So 6/10 divided by 5/10. मैं अनोटेशन का हेल्प लेता हूँ एक बार मार्कर का. सपोज ये हो जाएगा मेरा 5/10 है ना. दिस विल बिकम 5/, So 1 by 5. वन बाय 5. ये सब विजुअलाइज कर रहे हैं हम, है ना, ये हम विजुअलाइज कर रहे हैं इसको. 7 बाय, ऐसे नंबर लेते हैं जहां पर हमको एलसीएम थोड़ा कन्वीनियंट हो जाए, है ना. 4 बाय 5. अब आप इसी तरह से डायरेक्ट आंसर कर सकते हैं क्या फटाफट से? संतोष इज रेजिंग हैंड. यस संतोष.
Sir, the answer is 7 by 8.
7 by 8. ओके, आई एम आस्किंग द वे दे विल डू. अभी यहाँ पर क्या होगा, नेक्स्ट स्टेप बताइए इसमें.
Sir, 7 by 10 division 4 by 5. Sir,
हाँ.
I should tell in LCM form.
हाँ, यस यस.
Sir, so LCM will be
रॉन्ग हो गया हमारा क्वेश्चन, क्योंकि आई थिंक वी 4 by 5 up and 7 by 10 down. Now it will be 8 by 10 divided by 7 by 10. Yes, 8 by 10 divided by 7 by 10. Yes, Bhavya.
Sir, the
Very say
answer
8 by
is
10.
8 by 7 and in the mixed form it is 1 by 7.
1 by 7. तो मेन चीज क्या है कि हमें यहाँ पे देखिए, आप सभी को मुझे लगता है कि मिक्स फॉर्म जल्दी से समझ में आ रहा होगा, है ना. यहाँ पर मिक्स फॉर्म हमको दिख जा रहा है कि दिस इज 7 by 10 and this one is left. So it is 1 by 7. देखिए पहले वो लोग ना मिक्स फॉर्म निकाल रहे हैं, है ना, 1 by 7 and then they are writing 8 by 7. ओके, सो हो क्या रहा है कि जब हम विजुअलाइज करते हैं, ये हम विजुअल कर रहे हैं, हम ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं, है ना, वी आर शोइंग इट प्रैक्टिकली. हम जैसे न्यूमेरिकली तो करते हैं, बट ये जो कॉन्सेप्ट है डिवीजन को इस तरह से देखने का, ये क्या हो पा रहा है, विजुअल्स. चलिए अब नेक्स्ट जो भी आंसर करेगा उसको डायरेक्ट मिक्स फॉर्म बताना है, ठीक है. 3 by 9 divided by 4 9 36. 36 से बड़ा होना चाहिए. सो 13 और 14 15 कर दें. Fine. Raise your hand to answer the mixed form directly. चलिए पहले एलसीएम पूछ लेते हैं कुछ स्टूडेंट से. प्रणय नरोते. प्रणय, will you tell me what is the LCM of 9 and 15? Pranay, please unmute yourself and tell me the LCM, least common multiple. All of you please keep your videos on, otherwise the class will be on YouTube only. I can't able to see all of you and you are raising your hands. LCM 15 and 9. 15 is the larger number. We will take the multiples of 15. Rajkumar Sharma.
Yes, sir.
15 and 9. What is the LCM?
1 3 by 12. 1 3 by 12.
नहीं बेटा, 15 और 9 का LCM पूछ रहा हूँ मैं. 15 1 is 15, 15 2 times 30, 15 3 times 45, and 45 is also coming in the table of 9. So the least common multiple is 45. ठीक है, चलिए तो अभी जो है 3/9। अच्छा शर्मा जी ये बताइए कि 9 में क्या मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे कि 45 आ जाए?
5.
5.
Okay, so 9 5s are 45 and 3 5s are
15.
so 15 by 45 divided by है ना, ये एडिशन वाला हमारा जो 12 by 45, 15 by 45 divided by 12 by 45. One 3 by 12. Is it a little bit? Fine. So thank you everyone for joining.
Thank you,
Thank-
sir.
Thank
Should
you,
I
sir.
stop the recording?
Your visualization.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, should I stop the recording?